So let's get real. What's actually going to make you a better trader? Seriously. Like, is it finding a good strategy? Is that what you think is going to make you a better trader? If you had the right strategy, just the one, right? When the 50 crosses this, or when this does this, it always works out. Well, I spent 4 years, $180,000 trying to find that winning strategy. And you know what I found? You probably guessed. It doesn't exist. So what's going to make you a better trader, man? Because you're probably subscribed to 50 different YouTube channels, 20 different Discords, Telegram groups. You probably wasted money on signals, indicators, bots. I did all of that. For 4 years, I did that. And I'm going to be honest with you. What I found is that the secret was this. Let me show you. It was finding someone. Here is my calendar. Let me show you my calendar, okay? This is Monday through Friday, right? And what does this say? 8 a.m., right? Day trading, 8 a.m. every day, trade with Mike. So this is a little group that I put together on a platform called School. And these folks live trade with me every day, Monday through Friday. Let me go back. Look at how many recordings I have. All the way to June in this group. And it's 18 months total of recordings that I have live every day. Okay. Now, why do I mention this? Because I believe you really need to find someone. I don't care if it's me, somebody else. If you want to get good at trading, stop effing around and go find someone who will show you the ropes in real time. You can watch all the ICT, ABCD, SMC, Wagyu beef stick, ladder ordering, martingaling. Dude, I've been there. I've done it all. And actually, I've used a lot of different systems to be profitable. And I think you can be profitable using a lot of different strategies. But you need somebody who will take the time, not a kid who's worried about their Instagram channel and their new car and doesn't pay attention to their community and just live trades. And like, that's not real. If I just live traded and I didn't teach while I was trading or outside of that, it'd be pretty much a dead group. But you need a community and you need some other people who are going through what you're going through to be around. And that's really, really hard to find, man. The internet is an information overload. So trust me, I get it. Now, who am I? My name's Mike, 8 years trading, 4 years profitable. And if you don't know, here's my Instagram channel. And the reason why this matters is because I figured, you know what? Let me just show you. I started this like February 19th was like my first post in here. It's a new Instagram. Feel free to follow me if you want, but check this out. I'm just going to play you what I do. You'll see how I trade right here. You guys ready? I'm going to put it up on the screen. Here we go. All right, check it out. All right, here's another trade we took on live stream today. You can see the 15-minute candle closed outside of the 15-minute range, giving you your temporary daily bias. I say temporary because price can swing in the opposite direction, but this is the easiest, best way, in my opinion, to... So it happened once again. If you don't want to see it, swipe away, but I'm going to show you, and it happened. What is it that happened? By the way, if you're in my group and you can testify to this, type something in the comments right now. Showing us a daily bias. That was the trade that we took on live stream. Once again, keeping the win streak of 2025 alive. All right, well, it happened again. If you don't want to see it, swipe away. But 200-point move, baby. And it wasn't just me. Look at all the W's. Insane comments in here. People saying. This morning, we caught this amazing 90-point breakout using ICT strategy. It's an amazing strategy. This is the best strategy in the world. I shout out to ICT. It might have been SMC. No, I'm sorry. It was ABCDEFG. That's right. No. It was Wagyu beef stick. That was right. No, it was momentum, order flow, MMLLR, data wick, IFEG. I don't know what it was. I don't remember. We just keep. You get. Well, this is. I don't know if you want to see this. If you don't want to see it, swipe away. But there was another win today. It's like a ridiculous, like 100+ point. It's still going. 15-minute range break, and it wasn't just me. Shout out to all that. So you get the point. I was really pumped to share all of this insight over the last 8 years of trading, 4 years profitable with my community, and so I put together this other group, and you can come and join if you'd like. This is the Midas Touch Challenge group, And I put it in the classroom, like all the content in here. It's like tons of alpha in here. You guys literally come in here, soak it up, just steal my checklist. Like it's free. Like you're literally an idiot if you don't join because it's free. And it's awesome alpha. And if you've taken the course, type in the comments, let people know, man, am I making it up? You know, am I taking crazy pills here? So, but the live trading aspect is what I think is going to get you like to that next level, because all the training content in the world, it's not going to give you the confidence in real time. Does that make sense? To have that confidence in real time, it's priceless, man. Like I traded with my mentor for 9 months over his shoulder, just seeing like every move he was making. And dude, I crushed it, you know, and not every move was perfect. I don't focus on like perfect entries. If you know my style, it's not really like that. And there's different tools for different market conditions, right? So here's an indicator that we just released. I guess what? I'll show you today using the indicator, and that way you can kind of see. This has just got released in our main group, so you do have to be a member in our paid group in order to get this. But you can see what that is inside of the challenge group if you'd like. And guys, look, I want to be really honest with you. I have spent thousands of hours trading. This is like very special to me, right? I'm giving this away to a handful of people, practically giving it away. You'll see what I mean. It's not expensive. Our group is like ridiculously, honestly, the price is going to go up, okay? But right now, it is what it is, and I want to give the value, and I want to give it to as many people right now as possible until it just doesn't make sense anymore. So I'll show you what I mean, okay? Because it's not like we're all going to be buying at the exact same time. That's like, or selling, right? So with this indicator, we do wait for a 15-minute candle body to close right there. We have our candle body close. And once again, to the upside. And we took this trade right here today. So you can see that was a trade that we took. That's why I showed you on my Instagram. Once price comes back down to the line, we would be buying. So this would be a buy. And it's very simple. If the line is blue, right, you were trending up. If the line is red, we're trending down. So we've taken a buy right there. Market consolidates. So you'll go through training. You'll understand what to do when this happens. But essentially, we would have had an out right about where my out was, right in here. Market pulls back to the line because of the time of day and because of just how momentum was and the type of day with NVIDIA earnings. We would not be trading this. And I was very clear today on the live stream about that. So that's pretty much today. So you would have grabbed about 90 points today, no matter what, if you're just using the indicator, right? Had no idea about structure, had no idea about high time frame, order flow, market structure shift, like none of that crap, right? None of it, just using the indicator. And the way that you manage your trades and all that stuff is very particular. You learn that inside the training. I'm not going to go over that right now, but if you want it, join the school group. So it's just ridiculous, man. Like this indicator alone can help people that are brand new at trading come in and learn a strategy with an extremely high win rate. And it's not just about your win rate. I don't usually brag on that. If you know me, you know I'm not the guy to sit here and say, that's a high win rate. This has a very, very high win rate. But most importantly, it has a very, very high profit factor. It's like a 2.5 profit factor. It's ridiculous if you know what that means. And the reason why is because you do order stacks. So you can add to positions and you manage them, like an adult, not like a child. So, you have to learn money management. But that was it for me. That's what took me from losing to winning, is that I didn't have these hard stops trying to get the most risk to reward, because it doesn't work for 99% of people. Dude, why do you think people can't pass prop firm challenges? It's not just about being patient. You be patient and you can still lose 5 times in a row. And then you're going to give up on that strategy. I pretty much guarantee you, most people would just be like, this doesn't work. Like, forget it, right? So that's the problem, is that the tenacity that it takes to actually make it work, most people just don't have. And the time. I mean, just straight up the time, man. You cannot replace chart time. Like, I've spent thousands of hours on the chart since 2017, thousands of hours, man. So it's like, what's going to make you better? Is watching a YouTube video about trading going to make you better? I put out shorts all the time about market structure. They're really good. Go watch them. They're like really, really to the point. They're good. but it's still not going to give you the alpha, man. The alpha is you being in the seat, pressing those buttons to trade, feeling that emotion, and then being with someone else who can just guide you and help you, man. And it could be like, nah, you're good. Stay in the trade. And is right most of the time. So that's it. That's what I think. Like, subscribe, tick the notification bell for more content. See you in the next one.